Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Quatix 7, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. Before we continue, one thing to mention: you can pair this watch with an iPhone in two ways. The first way to do it is through the setup process of the watch. So basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the other method is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up. Because Garmin allows you to set up the watch without pairing it with a phone. You can also disconnect the watch without resetting it. So basically, it allows you to disconnect the watch and pair it with different device if you want to, which is quite nice. So let's get started with the pairing. So first thing you will need to do, you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button. And after the watch turns on, come on. Okay, you can release the button and wait until it's done booting up. In the meantime, we can go and download the required application. And to do that, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. Then open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on Search. Tap on the search bar and type in Garmin Connect. And here on the list of applications, you should see this one, Garmin Connect, with this icon. Install it. And after you install it, you can open it. On the watch, since it's done booting up, we can press the button right here to confirm. And now you will see the list of languages, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. Scroll through the list, look for the language you would like to use, and tap on it. And then, as you can see, it will ask you if you want to pair your watch with a phone. We want to do that, so let's press the start button, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. That's how it looks like. Basically, you have a QR code on the screen, and you can use this QR code to download the app. Basically, it will direct you to this page if you scan it. And of course, you can also use it to pair the devices. But as you can see, the app is done installing, so we can tap on open. And once you open the application, you will need to log in into Garmin account. Come on. If you see the pop-up about the permission, you can allow it or deny it. Well, apparently we don't need to log in. I am already logged in, which is interesting. I just installed the application. I guess iPhone remembers previous account and just keeps it on, which is weird. Anyway, after you log in, and the app doesn't detect your watch automatically after you log in, you can always tap on More, Garmin Devices, Add Device, and now the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should discover yours. Here you have it. It was discovered. We can tap on Setup, tap on Confirm, and then tap on Continue in the app. For some reason it says we have no Bluetooth connection, which is weird because there should be Bluetooth connection. Okay, let's allow the permission and go back. Let's tap on Retry. Let's try again. Okay, now it's connecting. This was weird, but it's connecting now, as you can see. You can tap on Next. And here we can copy settings from the previous devices. Because if you had any devices connected to your account previously, you will see them right here on the list. And you can copy the settings from them to this new watch if you want to. I don't care, so I'm going to use default settings, but if you want to, you can check one and tap on Transfer Settings. Here we can set up a sleeping schedule, so basically the time on which you go to bed and the time on which you wake up. And this could be useful if you want to wear your watch during the sleep, or you want to track your sleep cycle and stuff like that. Anything that requires your basically a sleep mode enabled. And to edit it, you tap on edit right here, set the bedtime, set the wake time, choose the days on which it should be active, and then tap on done. Then we can tap next. Here we can allow the calendar access. This is useful for the notifications from the calendar. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use it, tap on allow and allow full access. Then we have the location. Again, it's not required, but if you want to use features like local weather data and stuff like that, you will need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can skip it. And then tap next. Sync now, finish, skip the tutorial, and the watch is paired with our phone. It's here right here at the top of the screen in the top right corner, or if you tap on more Garmin devices, it should be here as well. Okay, so that's how you pair it through the setup process. Even though we had some issues on the way, we got through it. Now I'm gonna quickly remove it from my iPhone and connect it via the settings. So let's remove device. Okay, go to the Bluetooth settings as well. Let me close a lot of the stuff because it's useless right now. Okay, go to the Bluetooth, find the, okay, it's not here, so never mind, we can proceed. And now let's say you want to pair your watch with a phone, even though it's already set up. You don't want to reset it, you just want to pair it. To do it, you open the menu by pressing and holding the app/menu button. Scroll down, find the connectivity option and tap on it. And here you select phone. Then find the pair phone option, tap on it, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. And now you can open the Garmin Connect application. In it, if the app doesn't start searching for the nearby devices immediately, you can tap on this plus icon right here, or more Garmin devices and add device. The app will start searching. It should detect your watch. You can tap on setup and proceed with the same steps as we did before. So confirm. Hopefully this time it won't have a problem with connecting. Let's see. Oh no, this time it went through immediately, which is interesting. And then we can tap on next. Next. Sync now. Finish. Skip the tutorial. And the watch is right here. And if you tap on more Garmin devices, it should be here as well. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.